Hybrid library deals with the digital collection and print collection. DDC is now looked after by OCLC. Which type of books should be read in a library? That is superseded editions. The standard size of a catalog card is 12.5 centimeter into 7.5 centimeter. The Library of Congress classification system divides human knowledge into 21 major classes. The Delivery of Books Act 1954 was not implemented in the Jammu and Kashmir. Who invented World Wide Web? Tim Berners-Lee. According to General Financial Rules 2005, loss of how many volumes per thousand volumes issued consulted in a year is to be taken as a reasonable. That is 5 books. According to Ranganathan, many collection lost its relevance in how many years? In the 20 years. Annual withdrawals from the collection should average at least how many percent of the total collection? That is 5%. The standard size of a catalog card is 5 inch into 3 inch. IFLA head office located at the Netherlands in The Hague. The head office of Indian Library Association is located at the Delhi. The word archive is most relevant to the historical material. The word referral service is most relevant to the information scouting. Which of the following is a library management software? That is Lipsys. Which of the following is an open source software? That is Koha. Which of the following is a secondary sources of the information? That is textbook. First generation computer uses thermodynamic valves of vacuum tube or electronic valves. Shannon and we were related with the mathematical theory of information. Delivery of Books Act enacted in the 1954. Dr. S.R. Ranganathan related to the first professionally qualified university librarian in India. First university to introduce MPhil and PhD in LIS India is University of the Delhi. UGC Curriculum Development Committee formed in 1993. Second generation computer uses transistor. Paul Otlet and Henry LaFontaine related with the UDC. CCF was developed by the UNESCO. Berne Convention and Universal Copyright Convention was revised in Paris in 1971. The UNESCO Public Library Manifesto was last revised in 1994. Which of the following is a Which of the following is a social network? That is LIS link. Peter A. Fire related with the zero-based budgeting system. Koha was developed at the Catipor Communication Limited, New Zealand. C.W. Hanson divides documentary sources of the information into two sources, that is primary and secondary sources. The first and oldest university library was established in Britain, India at the Calcutta University. Deleted email can be found in the trash folder. IDA related to the cataloging. George Kingsley Gibbs related to psychobiology of language and introduction to dynamic philosophy. WIPO was established by the WIPO Convention in 1967. Elijah Honorji related to the application of Ranganathan's law to the web. E.B. Roche related to the Ranganathan formulated his first law of library from his casual hint. Dennis Croghan divides documentary sources of information into three types, that is primary, secondary and tertiary. The head office of IASLIC located at the Calcutta. Reference and information service is most relevant to the retrospective searching. Which of the following is an institutional repository software package? That is ePrint. Which of the following is the tertiary sources of the information? That is bibliography of bibliography. The first Library Act was enacted in Great Britain in 1850. Michael Gorman related with the our singular strands. Dr. Nihar Ranjan Roy related to he for the first time in India DDC and ASER rule introduced. The head office of UNESCO located at the Paris in France. MC Jovitz related to information is data of value of decision making. The Press and Registration of Books Act enacted in 1867. First belief science course was introduced in Aligarh Muslim University. JCM Hanson related to the Library of Congress classification system. Third generation computer uses integrated circuits. Fourth generation computer uses microprocessor. Unimark was developed by the IFLA. Universal Copyright Convention was in 1952. The UNESCO Public Library Manifesto first issued in 1949. Which of the following is not a web browser? That is DMOJ. hence related to living with the book. Which of the following not a learning management software, that is Drupal? These space were developed at Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT Libraries and Hewlett Packard Labs. Melvin G. Waggett categorized information need into current approach, everyday approach and exhaustive approach. GSDL was developed at the University of Waikato, New Zealand. Dr. S.R. Ranganathan classified documentary sources of information into conventional, neo-conventional and non-conventional and meta-document. The head office of Good Office Committee is located at the New Delhi. The first university to establish a full-fledged department of library science is University of Delhi. An invisible college is a typical example of informal channels of the communication. Burnett Convents was adopted in the year 1866. FID was dissolved in the year 2002. Who had given the minimal, middling and maximum theories of reference service, that is Samuel Rothstein. PERT was developed by the Navy Specialized Project Office. The term hypertext was coined by Ted Nelson. The 12 rules for relational database was given by the Edgar F. Code. Bibliographic compilling was first advocated by M. Kessler. Granthana is an official publication of Raja Ram Mohan Rai Library Foundation. Million Book Project was initiated by the Carnegie Mellon University. The quotation, "Where is the wisdom we lost in knowledge," is given by the T.C. Eliot. Compolis India was set up in the year 1985. First time, efforts for the development of libraries in India were made by the Sayaji Rao Gaikwad III. Emerald Full Text Database is published from the UK. Who propounds conservative, moderate and liberal theories of reference service, that is James I. Wire. Which national agency in India is assigning the ISBN, that is Raja Ram Mohan Rai National Education Resource Center? The term cyberspace was first used by William Cabison. The simple doubling code metadata element sets consists of 15 elements. Libraries as a gateway to knowledge is the title of the document of National Knowledge Commission in Library on Libraries 2007. The Library Association is now the component of CILIC. Real-time access refers to the access when searched for the theory X and theory Y related with the motivation. Instock has been merged with NISCOM and is now known as a NISCAP. ISBN consists of the 13 digits. Bibliographical coupling is related to the bibliometric studies. ISBN changed from 10 digits to 13 from the January 2007. IAS LIC was founded in the year 1955. WorldCat is maintained by the none of the above, but actual answer is OCLC. Number of states in India which have enacted public library legislation till date is 18. Which publication was not authorized by S.R. Ranganathan, that is Living with the Books. JSTOR is an online system for archiving and assigning academic journals. It is located in the USA. 5 Laws of Library Science was first published in the 1931. What is doubling code? Doubling code is the metadata standard. Information is the organized data. Fair use in a term most relevant to the copyright. WIPO stands for World Intellectual Property Organization. Handling of information in the sense of production is called information industry. Berne Convention 1886 is concerned with the copyright. Informal communication among knowledgeable person is known as the invisible knowledge. Which one of the following is not associated with the communication system, that is entropy? The invisible web refers to that part of the internet which is hidden from the search engine. Who was the chairman of National Library Committee of India, that is B.S. Jha? Which organization applied library and information policy in India at the national level, that is Raja Ram Mohan Rai Library Foundation? Where is the headquarters of Patent Information System in India? At the Nagpur. The act enacted in India in 1856 on intellectual property right was based on the British Patent Law 1852. Whether intellectual property can be sold? Yes, intellectual property can be sold. Whether intellectual property can be sold? Sale is possible. Who is the propounder of the term information transfer? That is Wiseman. To which country the credit is given to coin the term information society? That is Japan. Today, information is regarded as which of the following? That is wealth, commodity and product. What is the unit of the information? That is bit. Delivery of book and passed in the year 1954. Nowadays, what is the most important vital sources for societal development of a country? That is information. Who is the father of the computer? That is Charles Babbage. When was Dr. S.R. Ranganathan was appointed as a National Research Professor of Library Science in 1962? Which Indian university first started MLib and MPhil courses? That is University of Delhi. Which commission recommended 10% of the total college budget for the development of the library? That is Kothari Committee. UNICEF is a program. Where did Dr. S.R. Ranganathan put forth his 5 laws of library science? At the Meenakshi College, Annamalai Nagar. When did ILA become the member of the IPLA? In 1957. In which year Aslip was acquired by MCB Group, the holding company for Emerald Group Publishing? In 2010. Which association tagline is managing information? That is SLIP. Which association's tagline is connecting people and information? That is SLA. When was the International Institute of Documentation established? In the 1931. Which organization has introduced the concept of sister library for children's and young adults reading? That is IPLA. In which year the ISBN allocation office in India shifted from Kolkata to Delhi? That is 2011. Which two organizations jointly published survey on digitization and preservation? That is IPLA plus UNESCO. Who said that librarianship is not a profession? That is Madam Moore, Moray and McPherson. Who said that librarianship is not a profession? In which year International Institute of Documentation changed to International Federation of Documentation? In 1937. In which year headquarters of FID was shifted to the Hague? In 1934. Who gave the 6th law of library science? That is every reader his or her freedom. That is James R. Rating. Where was the first library noticed in India? At the Sravasti. When was the Curriculum Development Committee on LIS instituted? In 1993 to 1993. Who published the Journal of International Classification? That is ISCO. Which association in India awards teachers in LIS? That is IATLIS. Where is the headquarters of SLA? At the New York. Which law of library science related to the growth of the library? That is 5th law. UAP stand for what of the following? That is universal availability of the publication. Resource sharing is a part of the library cooperation. The 5 laws of the library science published in the book from the year 1931. Library Technology Report is a publication of the ALA. FZILA is a quarterly publication of the Indian Library Association. When was the American Library Association established? In the 1876. Which term was coined by Dr. S.R. Ranganathan for the mobile library? That is library on wheels. The Librarian Day is celebrated on 12th August. Forms of extension services, that is library website, library orientation and book fair and exhibition is the forms of the extension service of the library. The first library school was started by the Melville Dew. Encyclopedia of Library and Information Science is published by Michael Dicker. The secondary source of information comprise of the indexing and abstracting periodical. Who categorize information sources into conventional, non-conventional and neo-conventional and micro-documents? That is Dr. S.R. Ranganathan. Articles published in research journals are known as the primary sources of the information. What is thesaurus? Thesaurus is the collection of the selected terminology or synonyms terms and list of the word. What is a patent? Patent is an agreement between the inventor and the government. World of the learning is what source of the information? That is secondary sources of the information. Indian books in print are published from the New Delhi. Cumulative Book Index is published from the USA. Statement Yearbook is published from the London. World of Learning is published by Europa Publication. Who is the editor of Library Herald? That is Krishnan Kumar. Who was published the monthly journal The Library World? That is J.D. Brown. Facts of File is a weekly digest of the world event. Who is the first editor of the Modern Librarian? That is F. Montgomery Ward. Who is the first editor of Modern Librarian? That is F. Montgomery Ward. Who is the author of Dictionary of Acronyms and Pseudonyms Literature? That is S. Olcott and J. Lang. Compton Yearbook contains outstanding event. Online Europa Yearbook was oversized. Online Europa Yearbook has coverage since 1985. Which of the following is a multi-subject gateway? That is Renard. Which of the following is a specialized information organization online tool? That is VVCMO. Research periodicals are which category of the sources? That is primary. Reference sources are those which used to obtain particular information. Who is the publisher of Encyclopedia of Library and Information Science? M. Baker. Retrospective search service is a type of the reference service. Which part of the new Encyclopedia Britannica is useful for ready reference? That is Propoedia. Yearbook are also known as the annual. What is India? A reference में annual. It is a yearbook. What is trade bibliography? That is the list of the books in print or for sale compiled by the publisher. Who publishes INIS Atom Index? That is INIS Vina. What is the meaning of e-documents? That is an electronic form such as cassette, CD-ROMs, etc. What is the meaning of e-documents? That is same answer, same question. Generally, the information sources are divided mainly in the following categories. That is documentary and the non-documentary. What are the non-documentary sources? That is which are not available in the printed form. Today, which type of information sources is most useful? That is non-documentary sources. Cover-to-cover translation is treated as the current awareness service. What is the suitable reference sources to know about the information of a particular place? That is gazetteer. What is the suitable reference sources to find out the list of the historical monuments of the Delhi? That is guidebook. What is world of the learning? That is directory. What do you call a collection of maps, atlas, chart, and extra? It is a atlas. How many volumes Micropedia of New Encyclopedia Britannica is published? That is 11. Encyclopedia Americana consists of the 30 volumes. Which of the following are not the secondary sources? That is thesis. It is the primary sources of the information. What is the publication frequency of the books in print? That is annually. What is national bibliography? It is a list of the books published in a particular nation. What is the frequency of INB? That is monthly. Facts on file is a weekly list. The term information service is an impositive name, that is of the reference service. Which term was coined by S.R. Ranganathan for mobile library? That is library on wheels. Abstracting service provides whole bibliographic description along with the extract of the article. Which service demands the creation of a user profile? That is selective dissemination of the information. Reference service is the contact between the right reader and the right book in the right personal way was stated by the Dr. S.R. Ranganathan. CAS is defined as the process of dissemination of current information. Feedback mechanism is a part of which services? That is selective dissemination of the information. Mobile library is a kind of the which service? That is an extension service. The person who provides reference service is called the reference librarian. Reading center, story hours, exhibition and reading to literature are form of the extension service. Who invented the dictionary catalog? That is C.A. Cutter. What is the another there of the added entries? That is secondary entry. When was Sears list of the subject heading published in the 1923. When was MARC project completed? In the 1967. Who defined notation as a shorthand sign? By the E.C. Richardson. Who enunciated the 5 fundamental categories? That is Dr. S.R. Ranganathan. Who enunciated the subject classification? J.D. Brown. How many auxiliary tables are there in the DDC 23rd edition? That is 6. Column classification was first published in the 1933. Phonics schedules are part of the which classification system? That is DDC. Sears list of subject heading is mainly useful for the small and medium library. In which year DDC 23rd edition was published? Last 2011. The word classification comes from the Latin word classis. The first edition of DDC published in the 1876. The first edition of UDC published in 1905. Who is the publisher of Sears list of the subject heading? That is H.W. Wilson. Mass is a thesaurus. The first edition of DDC consists of the how many pages? 14 pages. What are the 4 entries of FRDR model? That is work, expression, manifestation and item. Who is the editor-in-chief of the 23rd edition of the DDC? That is John S. Mitchell. When was the different typological study toward mode of the information of subject done? In 1950. In which edition auxiliary table for area was first introduced? In DDC 17. What does LED stand for in CC? That is latest effective decade. The term prenatal cataloging first used by the Dr. S.R. Ranganathan. The DDC divides human knowledge into 10 basic categories. Who divides DDC system, Melville Dewey. Call number of a book means both A and B, that is book number and class number. Accession number means unique number for a book inside a particular library. Who is the editor-in-chief of the 19th edition of DDC, that is Benjamin A. Custer. Who is the editor-in-chief for the 20th edition of the DDC, that is John P. Komaromi. Who is the editor-in-chief that is of the 21st edition of the DDC, that is Winter E. Matthews. Who is the editor-in-chief 22nd edition of the DDC, that is John S. Mitchell. Postcode coined by the Luther Gulick. When Peter F. Drucker defined MBO in 1954, who said the demand and supply theory of books, McColvin, to provide the best books to the maximum readers at the least cost, said by the Melville Dewey. Theory X and Theory Y is developed by the Douglas M. Cheer. Hertzberg's theory deals with the motivation. Who is the father of scientific management, that is F. W. Taylor. CPM, critical path method, is developed by the DuPont company. How many digits have in the ISSR, that is 8 digits. Main use of self list is a stock verification. Theory X and Theory Y related with the motivation theory. Zero-based budgeting system was proposed by Peter Payer. When zero-based budgeting system was first prepared in 1970. TQM is a system of continuous improvement employing participative management and center on needs of the organization. Financial support given to libraries are of two types of: recurring and endowments. Principle of maximum aggregate benefits concerned with the library services. Library budget takes items of expenditure for libraries as the working data for the allocation of the fund. A budget which mainly covers items of current revenue and expenditure is called as the capital budgeting. The library budget of a university is passed by the executive council. In fund accounting, recurring fund cannot be used for the other purpose. Scrutiny of financial transaction is called as the auditing. What are the two parts of the annual report of the library? That is descriptive and statistical. Who is the pioneer of open access system in British Library? That is James Duff Brown. Who started New York charging system? John Kota Dana. When did electrically operated book charging system introduced first time? In 1932. How many columns are there in the accession register? That is 14 columns. When was PERT developed? In 1958. Who had invented the MBO? Peter Drucker. PPBS related with the budgeting system. The standard X and theory Y was conceived by the Douglas M. Gregor. Zero-based budget is concerned with the future. Who is the father of classical school? That is Henry Pell. Another term, PERT, is a CPM. POSCOP is related with the library administration. Who introduced three-card system? That is Dr. S.R. Ranganathan. What are the standard size of the accession register? That is 16 into 30. A good library building is an outcome of librarian and architect. Stacks are the storage areas for the various types of documents kept in the library. Study carrels are exclusive areas meant for the researcher. Library catalog cards are filled in specially designed drawer called catalog cabinet. Information gatekeepers come under the documentary sources. Grogan categorized documents into three types, that is primary, secondary and tertiary. Specification is a legal document and can be used as a source of the industrial information. In Encyclopedia Britannica, Micropedia acts as an index of the Macropedia. One of the book selection principles are stated that the best reading for the largest number at the least cost. Payments for the books purchased can be made only after the accession. The standard size of an accession register is 16 into 30. ISBN stands for the International Standard Book Number. The three-card system introduced by S.R. Ranganathan, register card, check card and classified index card. Technical section performs mainly two functions, namely classification and the cataloging. Presses were developed by Terence Austin for the use in B&B. Getting books back from the users and releasing the borrower's ticket is known as the discharging system, while Entering the library, the personal belongings of a reader is kept in the property counter. Books misplaced on the shelves by readers are restored. Books misplaced on the shelves by readers are restored. This work is referred to as a self-rectification. Outdated and seldom used books are withdrawn from the library, known as the weeding. The objective of library binding is durability of the library material. All parts and pages of a volume are correctly sequenced in the first stage of the binding process, known as the collation. Sheets before and after the text of a book are called as the end paper. Leather being used as one of the binding materials, that is, sheepskin is the strongest leather. ALA has prescribed certain standard for library building. A skillful method of providing means, mechanism and structural elements to streamline organizational work is known as the strategic planning. Who is regarded as father of the bibliography? That is Konrad Gessner. Linear model of communication in knowledge based on Aristotle's model of communication was proposed by the C.E. Shannon and W. Weaver. Library legislation refers to the development of the public library. Calcutta Public Library was established during the 19th century. Performance budgeting does not take into account what happened in the past but emphasizes on the current activity. The library budget of a university is by the Executive Council. In fund accounting, recurring fund cannot be used for the other purpose. Scrutiny of financial transaction is called auditing. Accession register is one of the records of circulation section. The marketing concept in library service include advertising, planning, analysis and control. There are few basic factors which may be applied in winning the heart of the reader. They are technological factor, service factor and self factor. Physical condition of the books will be properly maintained. This is known as the conservation. Shelf list is an important record of books which shows the position of any books on the shelf. Three great achievements in USA were noticed, that is unification of DDC classification scheme, formation of American Library Association and the publication of first journal of the librarianship in the year 1876. Books lost from the library are known through the charging and discharging. LA is the Library Association of the Great Britain. Of the following libraries in India, which one is the oldest library? That is National Library of India, is the Kolkata. The first center to use computer in the library and information activities in India is the INSTOC. User education may be provided in four interrelated areas, which are users awareness, user studies, library orientation and bibliographic instruction. Fair use is the norm for determining the legality of the photocopying an entire book. Generally, a reference service of a library in the conventional form is proceed through the stages, which are preparation, service and assimilation. TQM, Total Quality Management, is a process of helping employees in an organization to acquire new skills and competencies on continuing basis. PR stands for the intellectual property right. On which of the following technologies semantic web is not based? That is cloud seeding. World Wide Web was first designed by whom? That is Tim Berners-Lee. Which generation computer uses integrated circuit? That is third generation. The concept of AI belongs to the fifth generation of the computer. Computer memory is measured in the all of the above, that is megabytes, kilobytes and bytes. The term cyberspace was first used by the William Gibson. The term hypertext was coined by whom? That is Ted Nelson. What are the three types of basic language used in computer programming? That is machine, assembly and high level language. When CD-ROM was prepared and made in 1985, in how many ways switching system can be established? In 3 ways. Which type of switching system is telephone network? That is circuit switching. Which of the following software is useful for the word processing? That is WordStar. NickNet and IndoNet are the network of which category? That is WAN. Who designed Analytical Engine? By Charles Babbage. Calculating machine is developed by the Pascal. What is bug? Bug is the error in the program. Which is not a programming language? That is ASCII. ENIAC stands for the Electronic numerical integrator and calculator. ISO 9960 is related with the standard for encoding data on CD-ROM. ASCII has how many code? That is 256 code. Raw, unevaluated, unprocessed and unauthorized fact is known as the data. Internet was initially developed by US Department of Defense. Information retrieval is a fastest from the hard disk. And university providing open access to Sanskrit dissertation through internet is known as internet by Delhi University. In which of the following the term truncation is used in search formulation? The term hypertext was coined by the Ted Nelson. Unix is a multi-user operating system. The CD alphabets in CDS/ISIS stands for the computerized documentation. Lycos is a search engine. Electronic telecommunication system joining millions of computers together is known as the internet. Following is not a social bookmarking site, that is a Scudo. Following is not a network protocol, that is Z39.50. Locus software is an internationally community initiated by the Stanford University. Identify the old one from the given, that is Koha. Open source, and that is purchase page. Following is not a Web 2.0 tool, that is UGC Infonet 2.0. PDA stands for the Personal Digital Assistant. Plon is a content management system. Pi is the e-book reading device by the Infibeam. Following is an example of microblogging, that is Twitter, who invented OSI model in 1982 by International Standard Organization, where ISDN was first started in 1990, that is Singapore. Nowadays, how many types of protocol are used? That is 2 types. Which type of protocol is used by interface for public data network? That is X.25. CCF stands for the Common Communication Format. In which 5-year plan the implement was established? In 7th 5-year plan. Implement headquarters is located at the Ahmedabad, now Gandhinagar. Resource sharing. Resource sharing is a part of the library cooperation. What is the full form of ENET? That is Education and Research Network. Which network in India provides the first email services in the country? That is ENET. Who publishes annals of library science and documentation by InStock? What one is full text e-resources? That is ACS. Which one is e-bibliographic database? That is ISID. Virtua accommodates different version of the mark standard, that is Swaymark, Canmark, UCmark and US Mark. Which is the Journal of Library and Information Science? That is Interlending and Document Supply. The electronic library is a journal name. What is ePrints? It is a repository software. What 2 is a library management software for small library, that is Library Solution and Pollet. What is APS? APS is a full text e-resources. Which one is Library and Information Science journal name? That is Reference Reviews Incorporating Ashley Book Guide. Shodhganga is a national level repository of e-thesis. Questionnaire is a tool for data collection. Mean, median and mode are the none of the above. Campfield studies are an example of the experimental research. Research is a working in a scientific way to search for a truth of any problem. Which of the following is the first step in starting the research process? That is identification of the problem. A common test in research demands much priority on the all the above, that is reliability, usability and the objectivity of the research. Action research means a research initiated to solve an immediately problem. A reasoning where we start with certain particular statements and conclude with a universal statement is called inductive reasoning. Which of the following variables cannot be expressed in quantitative terms? That is numerical aptitude. The essential qualities of a researcher are the spirit of the pre-inquiry, reliance on observation, and evidence, systematization or theorizing of knowledge. In the process of conducting research, formulation of hypothesis is followed by the selection of research tools. A research paper is a brief report of research work based on the both primary and the secondary data. One of the following is not an open source software, that is Windows. When RRRLF was established in the 1972 by the headquarters of the Raja Ram Mohan Roy Library Foundation at the Calcutta, RRLF provides the ISBN number. It is a library with little or no physical presence of the books, periodicals, reading space or supporting staff, but are that disseminate selective information directly to distribute library customers, usually electronical, said by the Powell. A library is a public institution or establishment charged with the care of the collection of the books, the duty of making them accessible to those who require the use of them, and the task of converting every person in its neighborhood into a habitual library goers and readers of the books, quoted by the Dr. S.R. Ranganathan. Classification of all types of libraries has been made by the UNESCO. Special library serves a specialist clientele located within a single establishment of group and all engaged in working towards one common purpose, who said that are stored. Reading centers, story hours, exhibition and reading of literature are forms of the service of the public library, and it is an extension service. This library first introduced the printed catalogue, that is British Museum. Informal self-education is possible in what kind of the library? In the public library, which is the correct logical sequence of the following, that is data, information, knowledge and the wisdom. The term cyberspace was first used by the William Gibson. RFID technology is used in the circulation control. The process of configuring the disk into tracks and sector is called formatting. Which of the following is a public domain database? That is Medline. The chairman of the National Knowledge Commission, Government of India, is this Sam Pitroda. CD-ROM is a process of the information. Feedback mechanism is a part of the which service, that is selective dissemination of the information. What is the collection of terms or records in a mark called? It is a database. Which network in India provided the first email services in the country? That is Telnet. What is the bibliometry? That is a information management tool. Microchip was invented by the Intel. Information is a organized data. Conference proceedings are considered as the primary document. Rules for dictionary catalog were devised by the C.A. Cutter. RSS feed is a tool of the Web 2.0. An appropriate source to find out descriptive information is encyclopedia. Glossary is a list of the technical words with the definition. One of the following search engine is exclusively meant for the scientific information, that is Skyrus. Technological gatekeeper is an informal mechanism of keeping user informed of relevant development. Who among the following honored with Nobel Prize for his substantial contribution in the documentation? That is Henry Lafontaine. The Farmington Plan is associated with the Library Cooperation. UNESCO, a site-assisted model public library in India, is located at the Delhi. Mark the odd one out. That is the principle of osmosis. GUI stands for the Graphic User Interface. Self-list facilities is the related with the stock verification. The Office of Patent Information System in India is located at the Nagpur. Questionnaire is a tool for the data collection. A periodical evaluation of an employee is done through the work guide. CCF stands for the Common Communication Format. Control group is a term used in the experimental research. Noise and information retrieved is due to redundant information. The concept invisible college first used by the Carl Savage, who enunciated the term hypertext, that is Ted Nelson. Crampfield project is an example of the experimental research. IPLA took up the universal availability of publication program in the year 1972. International Information System on Research in Documentation was established by the UNESCO. What is the relationship between ISBD and cataloging code? That is, ISBD can replace cataloging rules. COPSAT stands for the Current Online Periodical in Science and Technology. The journal Knowledge Organization is published by the ISCO. Tagging in Web 2.0 application is called as the directory. Inductive logic proceeds from the general to particular. CRG stands for the Classical Research Grant. Which of the following is not a graphic representation? That is table. Fair use in a term most relevant with the copyright. The oldest and the largest library association in the world is the ALA. Which of the following is not covered under the intellectual property right? That is thesaurus. Ontology is a classification of internet-based document. Mozilla is a web browser. The concept of concrete and process was given by the Kaiser, chairman of National Commission, Sam Pitroda. High-level language is the machine independent. The transmission of receiver's reaction back to the sender is known as the feedback. Currently, Science Citation Index is published by the Thomson. Protocol means linkage between two devices. Which of the following is a acronym? That is UNESCO. A set of rules that govern overall data communication system is popularly known as the protocol. Staffing is concerned with providing and maintaining human resources. Which of the following is not true about the e-journal? That is, it is available at the free of the cost. What is the meaning of translation pools? That is, agency of the names of translation expert. How is stochastic equation of information solved? By statistical and dynamic rules. Whether library is a system? Yes, it has a various sections and subsystems coordinating each other, formatting a system. The 5 laws of library science propounded by Dr. S.R. Ranganathan is which type of research? It is a applied research. Information science is a discipline that investigates the properties and behavior of the information, the forces governing the flow of the information, and the means for processing of information for the optimal uses. Kinesis is related to the communication. The term bibliophile refers to the book lover. Theory X and Theory Y were formulated by the Douglas Murray and McGeorge. Mesh is the name of the controlled vocabulary. Which record is the hub of the stack in the library? That is accession register. In which year did A.W. Borden started a refresher course for librarians in India? In 1910. A.P. Maslow is related with the Abraham Maslow is related with the hygienic factor. Information may be categorized into statistical, descriptive and analytical. What is not open source software for library management? That is Z39.50. What is Delphi method? Delphi method is used for the cost benefit analysis. Who contributed on the systematic use of users education? That is Patricia B. Knapp. Who said some books are to be tasted, others to be swallowed and some few to be chewed and digested? By Francis Bacon. In which year was the International Book Year celebrated by the UNESCO? In 1972. What is the full form of IATLIS? That is Indian Association of Teachers in Library and Information Science. DDC 22nd edition is published by the OCLC. Thank you.